Welcome back to the Citizen Data Academy. This video is the fourth in our City-Parish Government Module. We'll showcase the MOVEBR Story Map. The MOVEBR Transportation and Infrastructure Improvements Program is the most significant transportation infrastructure investment in the history of East Baton Rouge Parish. Funded by a half-cent sales tax expected to generate $46 million annually, the projects will cover a 30-year span from April 2019 through March 2049. The goals of these projects are to increase capacity, improve mobility, and upgrade traffic signals throughout the parish, improving quality of life and providing greater accessibility for all users. You can find extensive information at the project's official website, movebr.brla.gov. This includes the progress and expenses of active projects and plans for future projects. Our open data team has created the MOVEBR Story Map as a convenient and interactive way for citizens to explore this information on your computer or mobile device. You can access it in the Story Map section of the EBRGIS portal, or at the URL shown here. This story map is divided into 6 tabs. The All Road Projects tab is shown by default and displays a broad overview of all MOVEBR projects. When we open the map legend, we can see that the line segments in the map are color-coded to represent different aspects of the MOVEBR program. New projects to improve road capacity and manage congestion are shown in red. Projects that will improve mobility in existing corridors and help beautify the community are shown in green. Projects intended to improve pedestrian amenities and non-motorized transportation options are shown in blue. The boundaries of Metro Council districts are shown in white. This tab shows all project types together at one map, but you can view each type separately in its own tab. The sidebar also contains links to the MOVEBR project list, the project concept reports, which you can download, and the program management plan. You can click on a line segment in the map to learn more information about that project in the pop-up. This capacity improvement to Mickens Road in Marydale is estimated to cost $25 million. You can click on this link at the bottom of the pop-up to view the webpage for a specific project. This page includes a satellite view of the construction area, a detailed description of the project, and updates of its progress. The buttons here are the same as in many of our other dashboards. You can zoom the map view in and out with these 2 buttons, and restore the default map extent with this button. Click this button to grant the map permission to access your location, and this button allows you to search for an address or location. This tab shows projects for new capacity improvements. These projects constitute the majority of the MOVEBR budget, with estimated costs over $800 million. Among these plans is a project to construct additional lanes on Airline Highway to alleviate congestion on one of our parish's busiest roads. This tab shows projects for improving mobility in existing corridors. The total cost of these plans is estimated at just over $200 million. Among these are improvements to Groom Road, Florida Boulevard, and College Drive. This tab shows projects for improving pedestrian amenities and non-motorized transportation. These projects have an estimated cost of just under $60 million. Among these are new sidewalks on South Sherwood Forest Boulevard and a new multi-use path on South Harrells Ferry Road. This tab shows projects to improve traffic signal synchronization in the parish. The first phase of the plans involves $5 million improvements to the Advanced Traffic Management Center, located near the Metro Airport. The second phase of these plans is to upgrade over 400 traffic signals throughout the parish, represented by the green icons in the map. These improvements of signals and power supplies will cost an estimated $35 million. The final tab opens our MOVEBR Projects dashboard, which contains the same information as the first 4 tabs, but allows you to interact with the data through filters. The total estimated cost and total local share of costs for your selected projects are shown on the left. There are two ways to filter the project categories in the map. You can click this filter in the top right to select the individual categories you want to display. Or you can click in the pie chart on the left to select a single category. Click outside the pie chart to show all of the categories again. Just like in the first 4 tabs, you can click on the line segments to see more information about each project, and you can view the project webpage by clicking the link at the bottom of the pop-up. You can search for a location with this button at the left of the toolbar, and change the base map with this button at the right of the toolbar. This button with the home icon restores the default extent of the map. The buttons at the bottom right allow you to zoom in and out. Thanks for watching.